So your first step on the road to compliance with COPPA is that you should determine if your company is a website or online service that collects personal information from kids under 13. So theoretically, COPPA does not apply to everyone operating a website or online service or app. COPPA applies to operators of websites and online services that collect personal information from kids under 13. So here are the three scenarios that will make you a likely COPPA target. Your website or app is directed to children under 13 and you collect personal information from them. Your website or app is directed at children under 13 and you let others collect personal information from them. So others like ad networks, analytics companies, marketing companies. Your website or app is directed at the general audience, but you have actual knowledge that you collect personal information from children under 13. So, for example, if you have someone inside of your organization who is an executive who regularly audits the users and their ages, and it's clear that everyone down the line knows that there is a number of users or even one user that is under 13 that you've collected information from, even if your app is directed at a general audience, you still might have actual knowledge that you've collected personal information from a child under 13 and you're still under COPPA. Or you might be a target if your company runs an ad network or plugin and has actual knowledge that you collect personal information from users of a website directed to children under 13. So, as you'll see in another video, in the next video, that some of the definitions that COPPA uses are so incredibly broad that every website and app has to concern itself with COPPA, because apps and websites often use ad networks. Apps and websites often use analytics firms and marketing companies, and so you'll see the practical reality from site to site, particularly big sites that take registration information, that everyone tries to be in compliant with COPPA. And so even though it's limited in certain ways, I would say that you should be concerned with COPPA even if you feel as if you're not the type of site that is marketed towards children. All right, more about the actual definitions of each of these points in the next video.